Hi, welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2018 Ford Escape. Now starting at the front, I am going to walk you through some of the features and the overall condition of the vehicle. As you can clearly tell, being a 2018 model, it does present absolutely beautifully. And let me tell you, on these kind of kilometers, it is in remarkable condition and it is a very tough look at that front end. Ford's newly designed front grille there, the black grille with the titanium paintwork, does make the front end look quite aggressive, especially with those headlights, with the cover over the top, which kind of makes it look like it's got an eyebrow which is frowning at you, but it is an aggressive look to the headlight. And down the bottom you've also got the fog light fitted. Along the side of the vehicle now, paintwork presents quite well. That first alloy wheel, I am quite picky with my wheel, so I'm going to try and fault it if I can, but that wheel, apart from a little bit of glue, is actually pretty much unmarked. Plenty of tread left in those Michelin tires, and the paintwork along the driver's side presents really well. You've got color matched side mirrors and door handles, and if we have a look on the inside now, the seat bolsters do present quite well, so seat bolsters are nice and firm. Seat conditions really good, and down the bottom, scuff guards and door trims, once again really good condition. And even the door cards, where people tend to kick them open, not really many scratches along there at all. This vehicle does look amazing from the side, and I must say, considering where the Ford Escapes came from with their previous models, this one is definitely a step in the right direction. Now your windows have been slightly tinted, but if we wanted to go darker and get darkest, actually they might actually already be the darkest legal tint. Guys, pay attention to the paintwork along this vehicle because it is in beautiful condition. Fuel filler cap is on the driver's side. There is no actual fuel filler, you just have to push the nozzle into there and it's fairly easy to fill up. Now that next wheel, once again completely unmarked, and those Michelin tires on the back as well, plenty of tread left in them. On the back end you've got the high mounted reverse light, you've got the rear wiper, and if we have a look on the inside, plenty of space in the back here as well, with a cargo blind which does actually let you hide anything in the back. Now to close that back up, just push it down and it just slides open. Under the floor you've got your space saver spare, plus your jack and tools. Closing this back up, nice and easy, there is a handle to help you. You've got the color matched parking sensors and reverse camera on the back as well. Guys, as I said, keep paying attention to the paintwork because this car is spot on. Like, I'm struggling to actually fault this car at all, and that's not something that will often happen with a used car. That next wheel, once again completely unmarked, and paintwork presents beautifully. Well, if I'm being very picky, there is a very slight mark there, but not even sure if the camera will pick that up. Keep making our way along this side now to that last and final wheel. Once again, beautiful condition on that wheel, and it is also completely unmarked. So as you can see, guys, front to back, the vehicle does present in incredible condition. Got 4 unmarked wheels and paintwork is absolutely spot on. So please ask us about the glass coat because that will give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork. Now what we're going to do, guys, is pop open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Look under the bonnet, what you get is a 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine. Now it does have a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, which is always good to know, especially in a car this size. The power output from the engine is 134 kilowatts with a torque rating of 240 newton meters. The petrol fuel tank holds 60 litres and it will have to run on minimum 95. The fuel consumption is about 7.2 litres per 100. Giving you an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 833 kilometers from a full tank. You look inside the Ford Escape now. On the driver's side door, you do get all your power window controls. They are all automatic up and down. Love that you've got the toggle for your power mirrors, and on the door you actually get your central locking buttons. Now on the right hand side here, you've got your illumination control for your cluster. You've also got your fog light controls, your headlight controls, and your headlight adjuster. Now on the right hand stalk you've got your indicators and your high beams. On the left hand stalk here you've got your washer and wiper controls. On the steering wheel you do get quite a nice leather wrap steering wheel in this vehicle. You've got paddle shifters behind the steering wheel if you want it to be a little bit more sporty and drive the car with the shifters. You've got media controls on the right, your menu controls on the left hand side, which let you switch through the digital display between the clusters, and all your cruise control on the bottom left. Now, having a look in the center display, it is Ford's sync system, which is one of the best on the market. But first of all, I'm just going to put it in reverse and show you the nice reverse camera you get. So as you can see, you do see the rear bar there, and if you press plus, you can zoom right in there if you do have a tow bar. So really good system. Now in terms of media, just going to press home here real quick. You've got your audio, your phone connectivity, navigation, and your mobile apps if you did connect your phone. It's got some hard buttons down here for the radio. Down the bottom, you've got dual zone climate control, so passenger and driver can both have their own individual temperatures. Below that again, you've got your auto off and another little blank button. Now, you can actually drive the car as a normal auto, or if you bring it down one more into S, you can switch through the gears manually with the paddles behind the steering wheel, as I said earlier. Next to the 12-volt socket, you've got a little bit of storage here with a rubber insert, so if you want to put some coins or something in there, you can. You've also got your electric park brake, 2 cup holders. Now, there is a little symbol in that cup holder with a key. So say for example, if the battery in your key actually dies, just put it in your cup holder and you will still be able to start the car, so it will detect that your key is in there. Also got a little rubber insert for the other one if you needed the extra height on a cup. Now they all close away quite neatly as well if you wanted to hide anything in there. Center console has a fair bit of space in there. You've got 2 USB ports and a tray if you wanted to keep anything on top. Now we'll quickly pan around the interior and show you the beautiful condition inside this vehicle. So as you can clearly tell, very well looked after on the inside and out. So previous owners obviously taken a lot of pride in how they actually maintain their vehicle. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Ford Escape. As you can see, it has been very well looked after, so something we're going to talk to you about anyway, you might as well take advantage of, is the glass coat, because that will give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork. We'll also give you protection against many of Australia's harsh weather climates, including bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, UV damage, and much more. The other thing I would highly recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. We'll give you another 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. Also get up to 10 years of premium roadside assistance nationwide, unlimited claims, and $3,600 per claim is what we will cover you for. So it is awesome value and a great way to know that you are protecting your investment. Now, they are additional costs. However, if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, are going to talk to you about your finance packages. They're going to tailor a package to suit your needs, which will work everything into your repayments for you and make it nice and comfortable. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us. But before I go, you need to look at our Google reviews. It's important to know who you are dealing with and what kind of a dealership we are as well. So read through what people have to say about us, because you will find that you are dealing with a reputable dealership buying a good quality vehicle, and we are going to look after you from start to finish and make the process easy. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.